Here we have the box configured for the smallest of the LiPo batteries. We're going to reconfigure it for the largest of the LiIon batteries. The first thing you'll notice is that the screw holes are missing. It's some sort of glitch in Blender. It doesn't like my model. I don't know why. You can get it to reappear by right-clicking on the lid to select it, press the G key to grab the lid, then press Escape to cancel the grab. Now if we press H to temporarily hide the lid, you'll notice that the screw holes are missing in the box as well. We'll do the same thing. Right-click to select, hit G to grab, Escape to let go of the grab, and they're back again. Now we go in the upper right corner, and there's a little eyeball icon next to the lid. Click on that, and the lid reappears. You can toggle that back and forth to hide or unhide objects. Now we're going to click on the word lid. To select the lid, it deselects the box. Now we're going to go to the X dimension hook. We click on it, go to the X value, and change that to 110 millimeters. That's the proper length for the LiIon batteries. Next we go down to the Y offset. Click on it to select it. Click on the Y value, change that to 62. And there we go. Now we're going to click on the Z dimension. That's the height. Click on the Z value, change that to 23 millimeters, and the box raises. Notice we've lost all of our screw holes again, so we're going to have to go back. We lost them there as well. We'll do the box first. Right click, G for grab, Escape to cancel the grab. While we have the box selected, let's go ahead and export it as an STL file. Click on File, then near the bottom there's Export, third item from the bottom, and the bottom one there is STL file. Now in the lower left corner there's a box that says Apply Modifiers. You have to click that first. Then we're going to double click on the file name where we want to save it over the old version. And we've saved it as an STL file. Now we're going to go back and unhide the lid by clicking on the eyeball. And again, we've lost our screw holes. Right click on the lid to select it. G for grab, Escape to let go of the grab. The holes are back. We go up to File and Export again. STL file. Now we want to flip the lid over, and we could have rotated it, but instead we're going to use a different method. First, make sure that the Apply Modifiers is still checked. Now we're going to change the up direction from Z to -Z, and the forward direction from Y to -Y. This will flip the entire object over 180 degrees. That way, when we put it in the slicer program, it will already be the right way around. Now we've gone back to our original model. This time we're going to remove the 3 LED holes by disabling the modifier that added them. Again, we need to get our screw holes back, so we right-click on the lid, press G to grab, press Escape to release the grab. Now we go over to the right side of the screen. In the lower right portion, we look for the little wrench icon. That's where the modifiers are. You click on it if it isn't already there. Now we're going to drag down all the way to the bottom, little scroll bar. And the bottom 3 modifiers are the modifiers that add the LED holes. There's a little eyeball icon. We click on each one, and as we do, the LED hole disappears. We can no longer see the hole. Click on the second one. That one disappears. And we go down to the last one. Click on it, and all 3 LED holes have disappeared. Now we're going to export. As always, we go up to the File menu. Export is third from the bottom. STL is the bottom one. Again, we go to the bottom, make sure that the Apply Modifiers box is checked. And then because the lid is upside down, we want to change the up value from Z to -Z, and the Y value from forward value from Y to -Y. And then we go double click on the file name. Now when we pull it up in the slicer program, we see that the LED holes are missing and the lid is in the right orientation for printing.